Hey guys, Justin with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're breaking down and installing the smoked LED third brake light available for all 09 to 18 Rams. Now you guys should be checking out this option if you are looking to ditch that boring factory chrome light in favor of a dark, stealthy option loaded with high-powered LEDs, not only increasing your visibility, but doing so in a way that's going to be very unique thanks to the design of this particular light. As far as your features are concerned, well, for starters, you are converting your factory third brake light in that dull, dim, incandescent lighting to something that's going to be loaded with high-powered modern LEDs, which will not only last the life of your Ram, but will be much brighter in the process. Now, this is great because this is going to increase your rear end visibility and safety while braking, but also improve your bed visibility as well at night, thanks to the included white LED cargo lights. Now, the combined visibility and brightness of this option is one of the big things I did notice in the customer review section. A lot of owners out there were really happy with the overall improvement. So, as always, don't take my word for it, guys. Feel free to read up on the many 4- and 5-star reviews of this third brake light option. Now, as far as your construction is concerned, well, this option is unique because of just how that running and brake light is handled. Thanks to the red diffused LED bar here, I know it's hard to see with it off, but when everything's fired up, you can see what I'm talking about. With it off, it looks white, but again, you do have that diffused red lighting in place. Very interesting shape here, guys, certainly pretty unique in the category. And below that diffused red LED bar will be those white LEDs we talked about earlier, handling all of your cargo lighting or cargo duties. Now, all of that LED lighting is loaded into the black ABS plastic housing, sealed up with a very dark smoked polycarbonate lens. Definitely going to flow nicely with other smoke lighting you may have already added to your Ram, along with maybe some other black accents you plan on adding in the future. Price point for this option will live in that low to mid $100 range, which I would say is going to be middle of the road in the land of aftermarket third brake lights here on the site. Certainly can find some more basic stuff that doesn't incorporate some unique shapes like that that are going to be a little bit more affordable on the site, or on the other hand, you can certainly find stuff that'll be a little bit more expensive as well. So again, summing things up here, this option right in the middle of the road at this particular price point. But now let's shift gears and let's quickly get into the install. And I say quick here because you're looking at a very simple job, guys. A 2-screw, 1-plug job, plug and play stuff. So therefore the site is going to call this one pretty soft, 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and maybe 20 minutes of your time tops to complete from start to finish. But now we're going to throw it out to the shop. Let's check out our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown.
The tool you're going to need for this install is a Phillips head screwdriver. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a third brake light on a Ram, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to remove these 2 screws that hold in our third brake light. Set these up on the roof. Now we can pop this out. Then we can disconnect our connector right here. So we're going to press down on this white tab back here and remove. And your third brake light is removed. Now to install our third brake light, it's going to be the same as the uninstall of our original one. So now we're going to connect our white connectors. I'm going to tuck these wires in. We're going to slide our brake light in. Take our original screws, get these threaded in. Same for the other side. Had to get that screw lined up with the hole in the back. Now we'll tighten down this side. It's all tight, so now your install is complete. So that's going to wrap up the review and install on our LED third brake light and smoked for your 09 to 18 Ram 1500. Thanks for watching, and for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.